Hello students, I am Indrajit Kaur from High School Mandigam. आज हम लेसन नंबर 4 सोहराब एंड रुस्तम के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करेंगे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, वाई वॉज रुस्तम नॉट एबल टू लिव विथ हिज वाइफ. इसका आंसर है, रुस्तम हैड टू पार्ट विथ हिज वाइफ बिकॉज ही वॉज कॉल्ड बाय द किंग ऑफ पर्शिया. द किंग फेल्ट अनसेफ इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ Rustam. Second question, why did Tanmay send word to Rustam that their child was a daughter? Answer, she did so because she feared if Rustam would come to know that he had a son, he would take him away and make him follow his footsteps. Tanmay did not want to lose her son. Third, what secret did Sohrab learned from his mother? Answer है, the secret that Sohrab learned from his mother was that he was the son of Rustam, the shield of Persia. Question number 4. What did Tanmay want Sohrab to do when he met Rustam? Answer, Tanmay wanted Sohrab to show the precious stone to his father Rustam so that he could recognize his son. Fifth question, why was Rustam at first not ready to fight Sohrab? Answer, Rustam did not want to fight Sohrab because he had grown old and had to serve his aged father in the far away village. Sixth question, why did Rustam not tell Sohrab who he was? Answer, Rustam did not tell Sohrab who he was because Rustam thought that if he did so, Sohrab might withdraw from the fight and make peace with him. Seventh question, how was Sohrab wounded? Rustam, after fighting for 3 days with Sohrab, felt that he was going to lose the fight. Then Rustam uttered his war cry, Rustam, which made Sohrab nervous, and he dropped his shield. Rustam instantly thrust his sword into Sohrab's body. That is how Sohrab was wounded. Question number 8. What were Sohrab's last words? Answer, Sohrab told his father to take him home and bury him there so that people will say, here lies Sohrab, the mighty Rustam's son, whom his father did kill in ignorance. Find words, phrases given below for the following expressions. Breakdown, precious, mighty, bury, combat, send, word, invader, chief, protect, send for, parting, determine, strong-minded. A fight, especially in a war. Combat. B, to keep something safe from harm, injury, extra, protect. Going away or separating from somebody, parting. D, to send someone a message, send word. Wanting to do something very much, regardless of difficulties, stone-minded. Determined to do something or get something, determined. Someone who enters a country by force in order to take control of it, invader. A long distance away or a long time in the past or future, distant. To become very upset and start crying, breakdown. Of great and special value, precious. An officer of very high rank in the army, chief. Put a dead body in grave, bury. Very powerful, mighty, to call someone back, send for. Now choose the correct option. Persia is safe as long as Rustam leads our soldiers, said. Its options are the king of Persia, B, soldiers of Persia, C, Sohrab, D, none of these. Persia is safe as long as Rustam leads our soldiers, said the king of Persia. Its option A is correct. Second, I do not fight in single combat with anyone who is of low birth. These words are spoken by A. Rustam, B. Sohrab, C. Kaikous, D. The Challenger. Its answer is the Challenger, D. Third, if you must go, I want to tell you something, said. These words are Rustam, Kaikous, C. Tanmay, D. Sohrab. Tanmay. Its answer is C. Tanmay. Fourth, who is so rash and thoughtless that he thinks he can attack Persia? Asked dash. Options are Sohrab, B. Kaikous, C. Rustam, D. The general. B is the answer. Correct. Kaikous. Fifth, carry me to your home and bury me there. These words are spoken by A. Sohrab, B. Rustam, C. A soldier, D. Kaikous. The correct answer is A. Sohrab. Now match the words. Match the words in column A with the explanations given in column B. Column A. War cry. War cry. Its answer is in B column, a word or cry shouted in battle. B. Challenger. Its answer is one who calls someone for fight. C. Arts of war. In B column, its answer is skill in use of weapons and in fighting. Champion. Its answer is one who fights for or defends some other person. E. Swordsmanship. Its answer is in B column, skill in the use of sword. F. Spirit. Quality of courage and vigor. G. Terror. Great fear. H. Clasp. Hold tightly. I. Amazed. Extremely surprised. J. Ambition. Its answer is a strong desire for success, power, or wealth. Thank you.